In this video, I'm going to show you how to noise gate in Reaper. Now to do this, you actually have two options. You could do this for the entire track by clicking over here, or just for a specific audio clip by clicking this FX button next to your audio clip. For now, I'm actually going to do this for this audio clip only, but it's going to work the same way if you do it for the entire track as well. So I'm going to click on over here, and there we go. You want to go to filter up top, and you want to search for this, REAPER. Okay, this is their noise gate. It's a VST. I'm going to click on it, and then click on add. Once you do this, it's going to pop up this window, and then in here you can see you have like a bunch of things, presets, stuff like this. So we can go and of course change all these things, but the main thing over here is going to be this REA gate over here, this slider, which is essentially your threshold. So you have to change this to be able to of course effectively use your noise gate, okay? So you want to basically adjust this threshold slider just above the room's background noise floor, so it basically silences unwanted hum when you are quiet. So I'm going to play my audio right now for you in the back so we can see what it sounds. It's basically just me speaking, so don't worry about it. And I'm essentially recording myself. There we go. You can then listen, and of course, according to that, you can go and change this to basically adjust it, okay? So that's how to noise gate. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.